Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's Jamie here, and today I wanted to do an unboxing of the brand new mystery box that Charlotte Tilbury is offering. I don't know if she's still doing this box. I know they had it over Black Friday. So all the goodies came in this nice mystery box. I always love these boxes. It's such good packaging. But this was $200 on her site. And along with this came some free extra gifts because if you spent over $175, you got all different kinds of gifts. So today I wanted to go over all the contents that I got in this box. There were 9 products and then my 2 bonus products, all for $200. And that was a Black Friday special. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing to my channel below. I do lots of beauty and makeup types of videos. So let's jump into this. So when they advertised this, they did say they were giving away 2 additional products. So the 2 additional products were this luxury eyeshadow palette in the color Walk of No Shame. So this one is like a red type of tones. This one's been around for quite some time. And I know that she has a famous lipstick called Walk of Shame. It was Walk of Shame. Now it's Walk of No Shame. And this is just, it's really pretty. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. This isn't really a color story that I typically go for. I'm not really into like the red tones. I feel like makes my eyes look a little bit sick. I don't know, some people can pull it off. I think if you have like blue-green eyes, red tones, orange tones are really, really complimentary. I like orange tones. I have actually some like orange on my lids today, but I'm not like a huge fan of red. So I think I'm gonna sell this one. So that's the Walk of No Shame. Then it also, and that typically is $53. And then it also came with this, this is from the Hot Lips collection. It's a lipstick in the shade Glowing Gen. I'm not gonna open this one. I already have this color. So I already have this component and all. It's this really beautiful component. I think these run around $34 if I'm right. The rest of hers run $34. And it is this beautiful, like, I guess it's like a red, it's like a neutral kind of reddy brown color. It's really pretty. I'll put it on really quickly. We'll swatch the lip products for you. So this is Glowing Gen. I really like this one. I think it's beautiful. This one, I already own. What's cool about these also, if you didn't know, is they are like refillable. So you can take this out. You can buy these for like $25. Then you buy the whole thing for like $35. And it's really cute. The only thing is this is the most adorable packaging, but it's kind of like it's already coming off on the bottom. So it won't always stay with this leopard pattern on it. But this pattern and then all the other patterns they came out with for this collection were amazing. So anyway, this is a really good color and a good bonus item. So I loved getting these 2. So together this was like, you know, an extra $90, I think, of products that you got just by buying all of the rest of the stuff. So now let's get into the box and what was in it. So they advertised 2 products that you knew were gonna be in the box. And so I was like, oh, I like those 2 products, then I'll take a gamble on the rest. And I have a good Charlotte Tilbury collection, but not like an extravagant one. So the 2 products that they advertised were this Charlotte's Magic Cream, which is just a great moisturizer. This is the 50 milliliter version of it. And so this is $100 retail value. And it's so pretty. Her packaging is so pretty. And it's just this bottle right here, this glass jar. Is that glass? Yeah, it's glass. So luxurious, beautiful. I love that. So that is something that I'm definitely interested in keeping. And right there, I knew I got $100 value, you know? So I was kind of doing the math when I was doing this because I was like, okay, those 2 other items were like $80. This was $100. So like, I'm like in my head going, I'm getting close to where I want to be. And then they also said that they were gonna feature this palette in the box. And this is their luxury palette of pops. So it has all 4 sparkly shades in here. I can swatch these. And they're very much topper shades. So you're not getting a lot of base pigment out of these shades. I really feel like maybe the darker colors you can kind of get a little bit more pigment out of. Let me see, will it focus? Would even show you. So these are the two lighter ones. They're just like shimmery top coat shades. And then these are the two bottom ones. But the only problem I have is like the two bottom ones, they're just not very shimmery. Anyway, I had higher hopes for this, honestly, but $53 value. And I was interested in this. I am keeping this. So it's, you know, all right. I'm trying to give you my honest opinion on all this stuff. So it's not all going to be roses over here. Not blowing smoke up your ass, that's for sure. So now we'll move on to the rest where it was like, oh crap, what else am I going to get in the box? This is when it gets like, I don't know. And you always hope for the best, but it's not normally the best, to be honest. Okay. Going to the next one. I saw this when I opened the box because it was so big. This is her perfume. It's called Scent of a Dream, and this is the $75 value one. It's 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. And I mean, if packaging were like the thing that you would smell, if packaging could smell, I think this would be gorgeous. But you're not buying it for the packaging, really. You're buying it for the scent, and it smells flowery old lady, like a flowery old lady. It smells like my grandma, or very, very old type of antique-y scent to me. And it definitely smells like rich old lady, I would say. If I had to give rich old lady a scent, it would be the Scent of a Dream. It is just not my cup of tea. So I will be selling that. I sprayed it once, but that is it. And I've had enough of that. And so hopefully maybe I'll recoup a couple bucks from some of these things that I'm selling. So, you know, it is what it is. Just so you know, when I did purchase this stuff, oh yeah, and I got a burn from my curling iron here. Please ignore that. When I did purchase this stuff through Rakuten, I made the purchase, and it was like, I got $25 off in Rakuten money, you know, that they'll pay me later, but that was awesome. If you guys aren't part of Rakuten yet, I'll leave my link below. If you guys sign up there, I think you get an extra $40, and I get an extra $40 just by like making a purchase through Rakuten, and all you're doing is getting money off. So like I said, they had like a 15% off Charlotte Tilbury or something. So I signed up, went through Rakuten, same process as always, and I got an extra 25 bucks on the back end. So anyway, nah, no, it's not a scent of a dream. Not a dream that I'm maybe scent of like, you know, you're dying. It's not horrible, okay? It's just not my thing. All right, next product was this Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic. This is a blush. I actually own this one already. I don't know where mine is right now, so I'll just open this one. But this is in Pillow Talk. This is really nice. This is a $40 item. I already own it, so I'm not going to be keeping this one. I'm gonna sell this one as well. This is what they call like the nipple blush. It doesn't really look like the, you know, an opposite of a nipple here, but you kind of probably get the point. I love this color though. It's a very nice neutral blush shade. Extremely, extremely nice. I would be very happy if I didn't own this already, but $40 retail value, and we're moving that along. Then the rest of the products. So I got an eyeliner, which is, you know, pretty basic. You kind of get eyeliners a lot. This was a $27 value for an eyeliner, which I think is a little bit crazy, but it's just a black kohl eyeliner. It does smudge out really nice, what you'd want in a kohl eyeliner. And it'll be used. I mean, I'll get used out of this. I don't wear eyeliner all the time. I'm not wearing any today, but I will get used out of this, so that's okay. Then the next products I got, oh, I was like so disappointed when I saw this. This is a Tinted Love. I don't know if you guys have heard, I saw some reviews on this. I didn't own any yet, but it is like a tint for your lips and for your cheeks. This has a, I think, $34 value, yep. And this is like a really strange product. You cannot really see it when you put it on. Here, let me swatch it for you. Let me swatch what you can't see. Okay, it's got this interesting little doe foot. It's like a triangle. You can see that, like a little triangular doe foot. I don't know, it's not focusing. there. And it looks like, look at that cool purple color that it's showing right there. That's not what it's gonna be. I don't know why it's doing that. It's not what it's gonna turn out like. It's gonna turn out like that light color right there. So when you swatch it, it's like just this light color, right? You gotta layer it and layer it and layer it on to get any pigment out of it. But it does give you like a little bit of a blushy color to your lips and then your cheeks. And this is blushed rose. It's probably the lightest color. Now my biggest complaint about this is supposed to be a universal box. If you had a darker skin tone, what the hell would you do with this? You would do nothing with this. Like, this would not be usable for you at all. It's barely usable for me, and I have like a light medium skin tone. Like, you cannot see it there, but if you layer it and layer it up, you can see some pigment. I'll insert a picture of me that where I was wearing it earlier today, and I just, without any makeup on, I just had to run my kids to school in the morning, and I was like, shit, I'll just throw it on and see what I think. And so I put it on, and I put it on my lips, and it was okay. You know, it was all right. So, but $34 definitely wouldn't have paid this, and I know a lot of people were disappointed in that product before anyway. So next product is this mascara. So this is the Full Fat Lashes mascara. It says it's rated 5 stars. I'm not even gonna open this. I have so many mascaras already, and I know that their mascaras are kind of like not the biggest hits, other than the new one, the Push Up mascara. That one's got the Pillow Talk Push Up. That one has great reviews, but a lot of them don't have great reviews. And I have so many mascaras. I think I'm probably gonna sell this, and I think this was like $29 worth of value. And I don't know, maybe I'll use it, but I wasn't very impressed with that. Then I got 2 additional lip products, and spoiler alert, not very good. All right, so I got a lipstick, and this is in the color Stoned Rose. And if a rose is orange, then maybe throwing stones at roses make them orange or something. I don't know why this is, it's like orange. It's orange any way you slice it or dice it. So alone on my lips, it looks terrible, terrible. But if a brown lip liner makes it look okay, and then I heard you can like layer this over other lipsticks and it'll make it look a little brighter. Let's try it on this one, and we'll see. And now it just kind of made that lipstick look orange. I mean, I guess it could tone down like a pinky lipstick. So does it make my teeth look yellow though? I don't know. Anyway, if you have a lipstick, I think that's too pink, then maybe this would be something that would be nice to kind of tone it down, make it a little bit more neutral. So I got this, not something I would have picked out on my own, and $34 value. And then last but not least is this glitter. This is called the Lucky Diamonds. It should be like Lucky Penny. It's so glittery. This is like this nice, I love this formula of these products where it's just kind of like a shimmery balm basically, but holy moly, it is Glitter City, and it is so sparkly. I guess just for video's sake, I'm gonna take this lipstick off and we're gonna try on some Lucky Diamonds. I don't know if this is lucky, but it's shiny diamonds. Trying to see maybe if I put on a little bit less. It just looks so metallic to me. And then the thing is, it is so sparkly. Like, it just has a lot of glitter in it. I don't know. It has actual glitter in it. So the problem with these, big time problem, is when they wear away, you're left with a bunch of glitter on your lips. And I just can't get down with that. And then like I touch my lips, I touch my face, and I'll have glitter everywhere. I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep this because it's a lipstick and I've already used it. So I'm gonna keep this. This is $34 again. So 34, 34, 29, no, 27. Okay, wait, I got 9 products, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, $40, that's number 4. $100, that's number 5. $29, that's number 6. $75, that's number 7. The pallet of pops, $53, that's number 8. And $34, that's number 9. So there were 9 products in this box. I paid $200 for it. I did get those 2 bonus items, which really, you know, make it worth it to me to be able to get this because I don't love everything that I got. So let's do a little quick math for you. Well, I did the math, and just in this box, I got $426 worth of stuff for $200. And then if you add on those additional products that I got, that was another $87 worth of products. So for a total of $513, that's what my value was, and I paid $200 for it. Plus I did get like $25 off. So I paid like $175 for this box. So all in all, I made like $338. Now, if I'm reselling a lot of that stuff, let's just say that that's the extra $338. Let's divide it by 2. Let's say I go 50%. Maybe I could make $169, it says. Maybe. Who knows? I'm probably going to have to go deeper discount than that. But anyway, that's just kind of the way that you play these mystery boxes. You have no idea what you're going to get. And now I have to go through the whole process of reselling the things that I don't want, which is a pretty good amount of things. But anyway, it's fun. You never know what you're gonna get, and I enjoy doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. There's more videos to come. I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel below. That would be incredible, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!